folks. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about what I'm doing next as part of the theater planning. This is not directly related to the construction of the theater or anything, but it's something really important as we move forward with the sheetrocking phase. Once we sheetrock, we probably need to clearly know where each of the speakers and projector and the screen is going to be positioned. Because we've installed a lot of support structures, we are not going to be able to see that after the sheetrock install. So what I've done today is basically mark the measurements before the sheetrocking. A lot of people do it in different ways. People use photographs, people use drawings. So I thought the easier way to do this would be to make markups on the wall wherever the supports are located and take the pictures. So let me just quickly show you what I've done here. So if you look at this on the left side, this is basically the actually it's the right side. On the right side, for the right surround rear speaker, I have the supports mounted here. So I marked it out here like this. So I've taken the measurements like this and taken a photograph of this whole thing so that I remember where things are after the sheetrock is over. I've done the same thing for the left surround speaker. Marked exactly where each of those mounts are from the wall position and from the ceiling position. I've done the same thing for the projector mount. Identified where it is so that we clearly know where to go and mount our projector once the sheetrock is up. There's all these support structures over here. I've marked where they are from the wall and noted them above. The screen support and the panel supports. Done the same across the board. So hopefully this is a good way for me to remember where things are after the sheetrock is up, and is really going to be helpful to go forward to the next phases of the construction. I also did something additional today just for safety. If you look at this, the ductwork, you see all ductworks are going to be inside the soffit. So I don't know how many years it's been since this has really been opened up and stuff. There was an existing ceiling here. We demolished the whole thing and redoing the basement. So what I did was I went to each of these connection points in the ductwork and reinforced with tape so that it's stable, right? It's probably an overkill at this time, but I just wanted to do it while I had the vents exposed. If you look at it above as well, I've done it at most of the locations of the ductwork that goes around. So hopefully this will be helpful as we move forward. Just a precautionary step to aid in the construction process. Thanks so much for watching.